What's going on, YouTube? We out here. What? Synth music. What? Hell no. Over here playing synth music. Today we're gonna be doing an oil change on the 350Z. Still kinda sick, so yeah. But let me give you guys a cold start real quick, and I need to move the Benz real quick and 350. So let's get a couple cold starts going. We're also gonna be taking off the 370Z Nismo wheels. Bro, people always asking me about these wheels. I shit you not, I just got a message on Instagram. I don't think I'll ever be able to sell these Nismo wheels. They're just too beautiful. But I am taking them off right now because I want to put something new and change the look of the car a little bit. But yeah, they're definitely going nowhere. Keeping them forever, probably till I have this car. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a cold start real quick and we'll get it going. Broken doorknob problems. Doorknob, door handle. Cold start on this thing too. Cold start, gang. Finally back, hour later, everything's set up, ready to go. Sun's almost gone too. Got the Volk wheels right here, and we got a Nismo H-bar, H-brace, whatever you want to call it. This is also going on the 350 today. So we're doing the oil change, the H-brace, and the Volk GTS wheels. It was about time I started documenting everything that I do to the 350Z. I just think it will be so much cooler when the car is done to see the whole progress and all the good stuff. I hate the low car life, but I love it at the same time. I don't know if you guys could tell, but look at that clearance. Even on the wooden blocks, this jack barely clears. These are the Volk raised lug nuts that I'm gonna be using. Super light, probably the lightest lug nuts I've ever held. First thing we're gonna start off with is the oil change. This is the oil that I use on the 350Z. I've used Mobile 1 before, 5W30, but I don't know, I feel like this works better with my car, so this is what I use. And this is the oil filter, OEM, Nissan. And yeah, as you guys could tell, I have the Z-Speed under shroud. So for me to do the oil change, I'm gonna just unbolt those two 10mm bolts and I should be good to go. Plate comes right off, and now it should be exposed. There's the drain plug, and the filter should be right about over there. All the oil is finally drained, and now I'm gonna take off the oil filter and let that drip. New filter is finally on, and we're good to go. Time to put this oil into the engine. What's up, guys? As you could tell, it's a new day. Before I even start talking, I just want to apologize. My voice is getting worse and worse by the day. I kind of started slacking off yesterday and lost all the daylight. So I didn't install, whoa, I just hovered over the car. I wasn't supposed to do that. But yeah, I started slacking off yesterday and wasted all the daylight I had. And I basically couldn't film for you guys because it was so dark outside. I couldn't put the H-brace on, the 350Z, H-brace, strut bar, whatever you want to call it. Didn't have time to put that on. I'll probably do that another day and film it. The Volk GTS wheels are on the 350Z now. It looks incredible. Like, I don't know. I just think the 350Z is done after this. It's not, but I just want it to be. I know I'm gonna regret if I do anything else to the car. It just looks perfect right now. I don't know how to explain it. Like, this car has surpassed my expectations. I didn't think the build would get this far. If you scroll back probably a year ago today, my car had yellow overlays on the headlight, Plasti-Dip stock wheels. What else? eBay front lip, and I think that was it a year ago. And a year later, for the car to be looking like this, I'm speechless, to be honest. I don't know what to say. But yeah, I'm so thankful where the car is at right now. It's come a long way. And I don't know. I don't even know how to put this into words, to be honest, because this was like this was a dream for me to build a car, just a car alone. I got a 350Z. This, I don't know, it doesn't even get any better than this, to be honest. Alright, enough talking. I'm just so thankful. Yeah, that's it. This is 1.0, fully done, complete. I'm probably gonna roll like this for a little bit. I'm gonna aim for 2.0 to be done probably around Stance Nation or Week Fest. One of those two. So yeah, stay tuned. But for now, enjoy 1.0. And that right there is gonna be a wrap for today's video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Smash that thumbs up if you like the new setup. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.